And we have some breaking news coming in. Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, has now called the notion that judges are themselves appointing judges is a myth, as the judiciary is just one of the many players involved in the process of selecting judicial officers. He was delivering the 5th Sri Lavu Venkate Varlu Endowment Lecture in Indian Judiciary Challenges of Future at the Siddhartha Law College, Vijayawada on Sunday. We listen in to what the CJI had to say.
After 75 years of functioning as a democracy and 72, if the judiciary does not have the power of judicial review, then the functioning of democracy in this country would be unthinkable. The concept of separation of powers cannot be utilized to restrict the scope of judicial review. This concept only protects bona fide legitimate actions. It is required that the legislative and executive bodies recognize their limits under the Constitution to ensure the smooth working of the democracy. Now I am coming to the issues of challenges before the judiciary. This brings to me various challenges before the Indian judiciary. Broadly, these can be categorized into two groups. The first relates to issues before the judiciary due to changing times. I call these new challenges. Although some of them are already being faced by us, these include such issues such as need for domain expertise, absence of well-considered legislation, non-cooperation of executive, dysfunctioning of criminal justice system, new threats to the judiciary, including judicial resilience. The second category relates to the perennial issues before the judiciary. These are issues that have been a concern for many years. Much has already been said about them. Despite this, I am highlighting these challenges again because they require immediate resolution. I call these challenges persistent challenges. They are all improving judicial infrastructure, filling up judicial vacancies, ever-increasing caseload. I will first discuss the new challenges to be faced by the judiciary before giving some of my thoughts on the persistent challenges. Due to the rapid development of science and technology, new types of problems and cases are coming up every day. Take, for example, the internet. Sale of illegal material on the dark web, identity theft, fraudulent online transactions, hacking, spread of defamatory content, and hate speech, etc. are all challenges that we must confront.
Let me also go across to my colleague Ananya, who's also joining us on this broadcast. And Ananya, certainly a strong statement coming in from Chief Justice of India, N.V. Ramana, where he calls the notion that judges are themselves appointing judges just a myth. And as the judiciary is just one of the many players involved in the process of selecting judicial officers. He also says that as to how it's become more fashionable to hit out at judges via social media platforms as well.
Well, Richa, clearly the CJI is saying and making a very strong statement with regards to the appointment of judges, because remember, he's correctly mentioned that there are a lot of players involved when it comes to appointment of judges, because it's not only the judiciary that is involved, because remember, when the collegium recommends the name of any of the judges, it first goes to the central government. The central government clears the name, and also a lot of players are involved in selecting the judges that go to Supreme Courts, High Courts, or any other court in the country. And apart from that, he's hitting out. He's not. I'll say he's pointing out at people who are pointing fingers at the judges and the judicial. I mean, this is not the first time that he's doing so, because remember, when he was speaking in National Capital a few months back, while addressing on the Constitution Day, he had made a similar statement with regards to the people who hit out at the judiciary, wherein he had said that a lot of people on social media are going against the judges, but they don't remember that how difficult the life of a judge is. Richa.
All right. Thank you so much, Ananya, for getting us that update. Certainly a strong point being made by the CJI, N.V. Ramana. He speaks about how judges appointing judges is a propagated myth.